Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In C programming tutorial, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the topics of operators and types of operators in C language part 1. I am Kranti, lecturer in computer science. Let's start the topic now. Operators. First, what is an operator? An operator is a special symbol that is used to perform special operations on the variables or on the values in an expression. Here, operators are the special symbols. These are used in writing expressions. In that expressions, whatever the values, whatever the variables we wrote on that variables, these symbols has to perform some special operations. So that symbols are called here operators. The variables on which the operators are used are said to be operands. So the variables which are used with the operators are called as operands here. Operators and operands can form an expression. To write an expression, we need to include operators along with the operands. Operands means variables here. Operators are used in programs to manipulate data and variables. So here operators are used to manipulate, means change the data and the data inside the variables. An expression is a set of variables, constants with operators. So an expression is a collection of variables or constants along with the operators. Here we will see one example for the expression C equals to A plus B. In this example expression, A, B, C are three variables and equals and plus symbols are operators here. Next, we will see the types of operators available in C language. C language supports the following types of operators. Let's see the list of types of operators available in C language. Number 1, arithmetic operators. These arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations or mathematical operations. Relational operators. The relational operators are used to perform comparison operations. Logical operators. The logical operators are used to perform the logical operations. Assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign the values to the variables or to the constants. So assignment operator used to perform the initialization process. Conditional operator. Conditional operator is used to evaluate an expression based on a condition. Increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operators are used to perform increment operation and decrement operation. Next, bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform the operations at bit level. Special operators. Special operators are used to perform some special operations. So this is the list of operators, types of operators supported by C language. In the upcoming sessions, in the upcoming lectures, all these operators will be explained in detail one by one. Okay, so this is the topic of operators and types of operators. I hope you understand this topic. I am providing the links of another C language topics in the video description. If you want to watch, then you can watch by using those links. Please subscribe this channel for more computer science subject related videos. Thank you guys. Bye.